here we have beautiful lot of blue topaz. As you can see, it's a topaz, cut topaz. High Sahel gems and jewels. It's best for people who born in November. Its luster is vitreous, as you can see, and special thing about it that the ancient Greece believes that topaz had power to increase strength and make its wearer invisible in times of emergency. Okay, you can also make pendants and earrings on any type of ornaments of your own choice. And then we have the Savorite garnet. Here we have beautiful Savorite garnet. It's a type of green garnet only brought towards attention in the mid 20th century, and it's originally discovered in northern Tanzania. They are named after the Tsavo National Park in Kenya, where they are still mined today. And here we have amethyst. Beautiful amethyst. It's a violet variety of quartz. Its name came from the Koine Greek. It is vitreous. The special thing about it is reducing tension and headaches and promoting restful sleep. Let's come to amber. So it is a fully fossilized tree resin. It has been appreciated for its color and natural beauty since the Neolithic times and worked as a gemstone since ancient. It's a orange brown in color, and it's a gem of cleansing and renewal, embodying ancient energy and natural warmth. Another amber, big bala. This is another amber stone.